Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy day before Thanksgiving, so it's cast iron Wednesday. I thought I would do a dessert here because got my little cast iron skillet. I'm going to do a cranberry crumble in here because cranberries are in season. And it just sounds really good. So I thought, hey, let's do that. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to measure out my cranberries. I don't want to put too many in. So I got a bag of fresh cranberries, ocean spray, and I'm just gonna eyeball it. There we go. So I'm just gonna put those in. Now I got my burner on low because I'm gonna put a little butter in the pan just to make sure there's some, it won't stick. Not a lot, just a little. Let that melt. Get to. Alrighty, so cranberries can be pretty tart. So go 3 just spoonfuls of sugar. These are the big one. I like a little cinnamon, so I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon. Because why not? I'm going to throw in a little bit of cornstarch. I don't know. Maybe that much. I'm not really even measuring. Just kind of eyeballing it. And of course, camera legs are always in the way. Gonna add a little bit of diet cranberry juice. This is cranberry grape. Just gonna add a little bit. It should be good enough. Give this a stir. Butter's starting to melt. I just want to make sure it's coating the pan. Because I was off camera there. Sorry. Alright. Now the crumble mix. Alright, I hope you guys can see this. Everything's just in the way all the time. So, 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup oatmeal, some brown sugar, a little bit more cinnamon. Alright, so I got everything in the bowl. This is unsalted butter. It's at room temperature, but it's cold in my place because I don't run my heaters. If I wasn't working today, I would actually fire up the fireplace, but I'm fairly comfortable. I mean, just throw on some wool socks and I'm good to go. I mean, it's not cold butter, but whatever. Probably about a 1/4 stick. Just want to cut it up into cubes. There we go. Then you want to get your hands dirty. kind of work that butter into the mix. Drop some on the floor. Looks like my oven's warmed up. No, still heating up. Setting it for 375. Alright, that's how she looks. Let's dump it on the cornbread mix. I may have made a little too much. Only had a little bit left. And let's throw it in the oven. And we're going to set the timer for, let's say, 30 minutes. Alright, see. Hopefully that will show on the camera. Looks like it will. I'm only, I set it for a half hour. It's 13 minutes left, but the smell is phenomenal. I wish I had a smell tube. I can really smell that crumble mix. Ah, man, delicious. We're at 1 minute 25, but I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna check it, see how it looks. Because I already got up and turned the camera on. Dude, look at that. Hot, bubbly goodness. I'm gonna call it done. Now, if I tried to put that in my mouth, we're talking 3rd-degree burns, so we're not doing it. There'll be some severe burns. But that's how she looks. That looks real good. Alrighty, I hope it's cooled down enough. Take a bite. Oh man. That's view screen's upside down. It's really good. Why is the view screen upside down? You know, it nailed it on the sweetness too. I like my cranberries a little tart, so yum. Yeah, that totally came out great. Well, alright. Went ahead and killed it because it was delicious. Perfect sweetness. Wasn't too sweet. Wasn't too tart. Just on the money. And I just guessed. So, anyway, I'm going to get going. I got stuff to do. People to see. Have a great day, everyone. Have a happy Thanksgiving. No video tomorrow, but we'll be back Friday for Fired Up Friday. So, have a good one.